Need powerful dust collection in a smaller package? Griffin Filters cartridge dust collectors offer greater filter area and exceptional efficiency, making them ideal for companies requiring a versatile and dependable solution. For economical dust and product recovery, the Phoenix Series horizontal load cartridge collector provides an economical solution for indoor installations with low overhead clearance. Looking for easy installation and maintenance? Griffin's top-load cartridge collectors bring efficiency and economy to dust collection with top access for easy cartridge replacement, minimizing downtime. Whether it's horizontal load, top load, or Vect-Aire, Griffin Filters can design a cartridge dust collector to meet your specific needs. Contact us today at griffinfilters.com to learn more and request a quote. For further information, visit our website, griffinfilters.com, or call us 1-315-451-5300.